Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove wallet or Apple Wallet passes from lock screen. So first of all, go ahead and open up your browser. If you want to remove passes from Apple Wallet on your iPhone, open the Wallet app and then tap the pass that you want to remove, and tap the More button and then tap pass details and then remove pass, then confirm. So basically, if you want to see in images, to demonstrate how it's done, so basically you're gonna be able right here to see the credit card, for example, and you're gonna be able right here to see, and if you want to delete it. So let me demonstrate on how it's done. Basically, I'm gonna just go back to my screen and go ahead to my settings, right? Scroll a little bit down, until you find your wallet right here. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to click any of your credit card, basically, and basically let's say for example like this one, right? And you're gonna be able right here to click remove card, basically, right? And by removing the card, you're gonna remove the details, but will remain as a payment method for merchants that you've pre-authorized for payment. So if you want to remove it, go ahead and click remove it, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.